Bantwana basekhaya, ukusukela namhlanje ndifuna ungaze uzdoubte ever again. You didn't go through fire for you to doubt the flame that is within you. You didn't survive betrayals, isolation, uhleli wedwa. You didn't survive ukophuka kwenhliziyo yakho. You didn't survive betrayals. You didn't survive xa ulele ebusuku uzive your soul ripping apart just to wonder that you are gifted. You are gifted. Abanye abantu, for them to heal and to get where they are, bebe support. Abanye, they even went to counseling, to therapy, when you didn't have that privilege. Abanye, they read books to heal themselves when you didn't. But you became the book. You became your own therapist. You became your own counselor. Uhambe ezindaweni ezingabonakaliyo uvuza igazi, and then you doubt yourself. You didn't do this just for yourself, if I must tell you. You did this to show the world what is healing. How does healing look like in a human form? When you start doubting yourself, remember my face. Remember your face. Look at yourself at the mirror and remember the things that came to destroy you. But here you are. You are proof. Your journey is your proof that you are gifted. Start taking yourself serious. When I woke up this morning, let's go of people that doubt themselves after everything that they've been through. I know that this is not me. There's got to be someone, the energy that is with me, that makes lento imqaphukise kanjena or imkhathaze kanjena. You are not here to save anyone, but you are here to be a reminder that it can be done. 10:10 on the timer. New beginnings, mntasekhaya. Ndithe kuwe, be the one who never ever doubt themselves ever again. Everything has worked out for you, mntanasekhaya. Everything has worked out for you. Love and light. Peace out.